Okay, welcome back again to Shaving Down Under. And we have a Malord. Wow. This big box didn't travel well for some of these razors. So this is a Malord that's in very, very nice condition. It has been used by the looks, but I'd say all up it hadn't been used too often. And these are a really good shave. Looks like something you see in a toolbox, and I have no idea what it is. Well, it's a razor, and it's a Barbasol, I believe. No, Proback. Let's get out. I am just really reluctant here. Okay, it's a 3-piece. Cannot remember buying this. As I said, a lot of this stuff in here is I bought them over a year ago, well over 12 months ago. That seems very interesting. Interesting to shave with it. I wonder if that's a Gillette blade holder. Interesting indeed. Okay. Saw something else that got damaged in transit. There it opens up. Oh yeah. Sterling silver. This is not the original case, so it doesn't matter if it got damaged. Uh-oh. The other stuff is not inside. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Oh, there's one small disappointment. Damn it. The rest of the razor isn't inside. This little box was also in there, and it was empty. It opened up and it was empty. So let's hope that this is the rest of it. I don't know why people do this when some sellers do this. They separate everything. I can imagine on occasions as you do that, but sometimes it just means stuff gets lost. But I reckon this is the rest of it. And I reckon I am correct. You beauty. So, if you've never seen one, that's it. It's a little travel razor. Apparently sterling silver. And I'm so relieved. And that just travels inside. There you go. There it is. Magic. Magic. Schick Injector twin blades. Pardon me. Free Schick Injector razor so you can enjoy this unique shaving right away. use standard can opener to open it. So I will open this because that's just who I am. I want to see what's inside of it. And some shit Krona injector blades. I want to explore that side of shaving as well. The injector blade. Let's put that down in there. And let's do this one. And Gillette razor, and this will be a Tech. Now I only collect Techs if they're just unused, like this one. Because I believe these Techs are harder to find in new old stock condition, because they were such just a user grade razor, a working man's razor, and so the average fella just would have ripped this open and just got shaving. Would have thrown the packaging away. This could even be the original blades that come with it. So that's why these are the only Techs I collect. Okay, thanks for sticking around, and we've got another video to come. Ciao for now.